Okay, so here I am in the kitchen again, which is very rare occasion, by the way. But I am doing my specialty, which is quiche. Yes, it is. Okay, so I have 4 quiches going here. And I am going to do a broccoli and bacon with cheddar. And I am doing a very hot, spicy pepper with, oh gosh, what am I doing it with? Okay, hold on. Sliced pepper with onions. It'll be spicy, and then a ham and cheese one. So that is going to be amazing. So here's my honey. Say hi, honey.
Hi, honey.
He's really the chef. That's why it's kind of a rare occasion that I do anything, because Michael is only doing store-bought rolls today. No, actually. So I'm the one cooking today. This is going to be fun. We're going to have a fun brunch with our kids. They're going to be over soon to open their gifts. Yes, we're doing it a little bit late, but this is our Christmas Day celebration. Okay, so I got to tell you a few more things about my quiche, because this is the key thing, and these are some Wendy secrets, okay? So here's the thing. When you do the pie crust, you're going to pre-cook them, of course. Or maybe you don't know, but anyways. And I get the deep dish ones because I like to fill them with stuff here. And so I start getting them all ready. And on the very, very top, and you'll see in a minute, because I'll show you the next view too, when I put everything on top, I mark what I do. But here's my really secret, okay? Inside, here's my eggs. What you got to do with your eggs, and this is for 4 quiches, but see, it's got this white weird stuff on there. It's actually not curdled milk or anything, although I do put a little bit of milk in there to fluff the eggs and make it fluffy. I also put in there Dean's sour cream dip because it's got this amazing flavor, and I like these little chunky white things throughout the quiche, so when you bite in, it's just like, so yummy. So I'll show you more in a minute. Okay, now the quiches are in the oven, and I got to hold the little grandbaby. This is Aria. Say hi, pumpkin. She just woke up. Yeah. Yeah. Now this is what they look like done. How amazing is that? Look at these. Well, these just came out. Oh my gosh, that is the cheddar broccoli.
I got
Swiss and ham. And these are spicy peppers with habanero cheese. Can't wait. We're getting the rest of our spread together and our all of our kids here.
Someone actually looks at me and I'm like,